In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vote on Slack. Many of us are already familiar with using Slack for communicating and collaborating with our teams, but did you know that you can actually conduct polls and voting right within Slack? This can be a fantastic way to gauge opinions, make group decisions, or just have fun with your teammates. Let's jump into it. First things first, you'll need to open Slack. If you're already familiar with Slack, then you know navigating to your workspace is the initial step. Once you're logged in and ready, the next thing you want to do is locate and click on Add Apps. This option is typically found in the Slack menu bar. It's the place where you'll find a variety of apps that you can integrate with your Slack workspace to enhance functionality. Once you click on Add Apps, a search bar will appear. Here, you'll want to type in Simple Poll. Simple Poll is a convenient tool within Slack that makes it easy to run polls for votes quickly. Type Simple Poll into the search bar, and once it appears, click on it. With Simple Poll located, the next step is to install it into your workspace. Click on the Install button and you'll be prompted to follow a series of steps to complete the installation process. These steps usually include granting the app certain permissions to function correctly within your Slack environment. Once the installation is successfully completed, navigate back to your Slack workspace. Now that Simple Poll is installed, it's time to choose a channel where you want to create your poll. Depending on your needs, this could be a public channel where everyone in the company can vote, or a private one for more restricted voting. Make your choice according to who you need to involve in the poll. Inside the chosen channel, go to the message input area and type in poll. Typing this command is a crucial step as it signals Simple Poll to start the poll setup process. After typing poll, you'll see options to create your poll based on the syntax Simple Poll uses. Once you've typed in poll, you will be prompted to click on Create a Poll. Follow these prompts to customize your poll by inputting the question you want to ask and listing the possible options people can vote for. This is where you can tailor the poll to suit your specific needs, whether it's for gathering team input on a project decision, running a casual survey, or even deciding on what to have for lunch. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a voting system within Slack using Simple Poll.